QSI stock analysis, Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Quantum SI Incorporated sitting at $4.06. It's 5.3% down for Monday. Now, the way that I'm just observing this is obviously it's such a bullish market to me still. I'm going to get into that in a second. I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course chips, and have documented everything. But like the only way that I would have pulled the trigger on this is if I saw my double break. And update, I'm yet to see it. I still haven't seen that yet. Has to come a little bit lower than these lows because I'm not seeing a clean range break other than this high, but this is now way too high. So I'm talking here, somewhere around there, right? And this is by, again, no means financial advice, but the only way that I would approach this if the price gives me the rules. Sticking to my strategy and framework that I've refined over 34,000 videos. So obviously we'll keep you updated. This is not financial advice. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.